Hello, incredible English 114 students, and welcome to Unit 4, Writing by Design. Unit 4 is an opportunity to really look closely at the writing process and to develop a process for you to create effective messages. In Unit 4, you will learn about effective arguments, and that arguments are an important part of our daily lives. In fact, great arguments can provide information and reasoning, teach us something new, and even inspire change in action. Now in this unit, George is writing a special kind of argument, one that you're probably familiar with, a product review. If you've ever read a review for a restaurant, a doctor, a company, or even a review of a product online, you've read an argument. However, George's product review isn't making a good impression or having the effect that he intended. Thus, in IntelliPath, you will learn about organizing your thoughts, building strong paragraphs, and building effective sentences. And you'll use that knowledge in the discussion board to help George identify his opportunities for improvement and figure out how he could make his writing clearer, more organized, and more effective. Now, start off this unit, as always, by checking out your unit navigation map so you know where you are in the course, where you've been, and where we're going. Be sure to preview your assignments, know what's due, when it's due, and what you have to do in order to be successful. Be sure that you set goals for yourself, create a plan to realize those goals, and manage your time throughout the unit accordingly. Don't forget, you aren't expected to know this already. We're here to learn, so make sure that you utilize your learning resources. You'll find these in the announcements, in the assignment list, in the discussion boards, and in IntelliPath. And of course, you'll learn more about this unit and your objectives in your live chat. Reach out to your instructor. Your instructor is here to support and guide you every step of the way. And of course, have confidence. Know that you can do incredible things. You've learned so much in such a short period of time, and Unit 4 is yours for the taking. Have an incredible unit, students. I know you'll do fantastic work. Happy writing.